Here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres. Material's been wetted, and the white that you can see is the reflection of the light. Basically this piece has got a blue flash through it. The black on there is where somebody's marked it out. This is the better side. There's a stone there. Quite nice. Electric greens. It's only thin little stone in there. This piece I just basically threw in. Possibly grind it down, grind that off, and you might find a little stone there, or just cut it in two through there and get two little patterned stones, one each side. Lucky last but not least, this got some quite nice colour in it. It's been ground, so it needs to be finished. It's undulating face, gold, yellows, reds. Needs to be reshaped, I think. Cut down. Just go for the colour in the middle. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.